A very good morning to all my dear students, and I hope that you all are fine. Now, beta, after completing chapter 5 from English literature, today I am going to explain you poem 5, and the title of the poem is Where Do All the Teachers Go? And it is written by Peter Dixon. Now, as its name suggests, this poem is regarding the teachers. Actually, in this poem, a point of view of a small child or a little child is explained basically. We can say that a child of a nursery or KG. For them, a teacher is a very special person. Fine, according to them, whatever the teacher says is correct and they follow their teacher blindly. Fine, they imitate their teacher, and according to them, they think that a teacher is an extraordinary person. So, this is the poem which tells us the feelings of a little child for his teacher. So, please open poem 5 from your English literature, that is, Where Do All the Teachers Go? So, here is your poem, beta. Where do all the teachers go? In this poem, the poet is expressing the feelings of a little child for his teacher. Here, according to a little child, his teacher is a very special person, and he don't think his teacher to be an ordinary person. And see, in this while reading this poem, you will be able to understand that how special a teacher is for the little child. Where do all the teachers go when it is 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses, and do they wash their socks? In this para, the child is curious to know about where do the teachers go when the school ends, and he is asking that whether they also live in houses like us, whether they also wash their clothes. He is asking, do they wear pyjamas and do they watch TV? Means in this para, the student is curious to know that like us, after going from school, we normally wear certain clothes like lowers and t-shirts, and we watch TV after going home. And now he wants to know that whether the teachers also wear pyjamas and whether they also watch TV or not. In the third line, he is asking, and do they pick their noses the same as you and me? This is very funny because the child is asking that whether the teachers also pick their noses like you and me. Then, do they live with other people? Have they mums and dads? In these lines, he is asking that do the teachers also live with their family? Do they have their mother and father? And were they ever children? And were they ever bad? In these two lines, the child is asking that were the teachers were ever children, or were they ever bad, means were they ever naughty? Did they ever never spell right? Now here they are asking about the mistakes that the teachers do. Did they ever make mistakes? Now the child is curious to know that whether the teachers have done any mistakes or not. Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? Now he's asking that when the teachers were kids, were they also punished in the corner like us? Or he's asking if they have pinched the chocolate flakes, like if the child is eating the chocolate in classroom, he's asking that whether the teachers also did the same things, or were they even punished by their teachers to stand in the corner. Now in this para, they are asking, did they ever lose their hymn books? Did they ever leave their greens? Now in this line, first line, hymn books are basically beta books of Christian books, which are spelled in the churches basically, like the Christmas carols and all. But here the poet or the child is asking that whether the teachers also lost their books or not when they were in school, and did they ever leave their greens, means he is asking about the green vegetables or the vegetables which are in their lunch box. Did they ever finish their did they always finish their vegetables or not? Did they scribble on the desktops like the small kids do scribbling on the benches. Now here the child is asking that whether the teachers, when they were kids, they also scribble on desktops or not. Now in this, did they wear old dirty jeans? Here he is asking that, like us, whenever sometimes we also wear the old dirty jeans, which is our favorite. We want to wear it daily. Like you all say, like Mama, today also I'll wear this jeans only. Fine. Now he is asking about the teachers, that did they wear old dirty jeans? I'll follow one back home day. Now, what the child is saying in this line, that he will follow one teacher one day, means today. Today he will follow one of the teachers back home. I'll find out what they do. Now, after following the teacher, he will going to find out that what did the teachers do when they go back home. Then I will put it in a poem, and after finding out, I'll write all the things that the teachers do after going home in a poem, that they can read to you, that the teachers will read it to you. Fine. So this is the poem regarding the teachers, and it is written by Peter Dixon, and I hope that it is clear to you and you have enjoyed also this reading this poem, because this poem expresses the feelings of a little child who is thinking about his teacher, that what the teacher do when he or she goes to home. Clear? So read out the poem once again to get a clear understanding of it. Thank you all.